Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another episode of Flight Deck. It's a busy month of model building, latest releases and Christmas cheer, so let's get straight into it. Hitting your modelling bench soon is the new release Westland Sea King HC4. Over 12 days, I transformed a Lockheed Martin F-35B Lightning II starter set into a festive Christmas centrepiece. The project began with careful preparation. I cleaned and sanded the sprues to remove any flash and ensure the parts fit together smoothly. Dry fitting the pieces was a key early step to test alignment and avoid surprises during assembly. Once everything was ready, I moved on to constructing the main body, taking care to get a snug fit and avoid any gaps. Painting smaller details like the seat and pilot added a fun, creative touch. The decals came next, and though applying them required patience and a steady hand, they added realistic detail and character to the model. Midway through, I revealed my big idea to transform the F-35 into a wrapped Christmas present by painting it with bold red and silver stripes. This involved meticulous masking, starting with the cockpit to protect the painted details inside, and later expanding to the stripe design. Masking the model's complex curves was a challenge, but it was worth the effort. I began by spraying a silver base coat, which gave the model a shiny, gift-like appearance, and then layered on vibrant red paint to complete the look. Peeling off the masking tape was a nerve-wracking but satisfying step, revealing crisp, clean lines that perfectly captured the festive wrapping paper effect. To enhance the holiday theme, I turned my attention to the shadow stand. I painted it green to resemble the base of a Christmas tree and added patches of grass for texture. The final step involved assembling all the elements and adding a finishing touch, a small ribbon bow on top of the F-35, making it truly resemble a wrapped Christmas gift. This is the completed model with its bright red and silver stripes, festive decorations and Christmas tree themed base. Hope you enjoyed following along the F-35 Christmas build on social media. If you did build your own kit, let us know in the comments below and tag us on social media. We'd love to see them. Let me know what you think of my F-35 in the comments below. Now, Christmas is right around the corner, and if you're searching for some last-minute gift ideas, I've got you covered. Let's start with starter sets. Over the past few years, the new era of Airfix starter sets have made it even easier to get into the hobby. Perhaps you want to get the grandkids involved in modelling, and now with a wide range of subjects, I'm sure you'll be able to find the perfect gift. Perhaps you've been extra good this year and want to treat yourself. Well, perfect timing, because the North American P51D Mustang Super Kit has just arrived and will look great underneath the tree. Well, that's all we have time for in this month's episode of Flight Deck, but before I leave, I have to tell you that our 2025 range launch date has been set for the 14th of Jan at 4 PM. Comment below your dream kit announcement, and I'll see you next time. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.